We told you earlier that the Chief Justice of Nigeria, or Justice Olukayode Ariwoola, has warned against misleading and conflicting judgment. He says frivolous interlocutory orders from courts of coordinate jurisdiction is an embarrassment. Salman Jawondo, Senior Advocate of Nigeria, former Attorney General in Kwara State, is joining me again. Thank you for staying the course on the conversation, Senior Advocate. Quickly talk to us about what must be done differently now to save the Nigerian judiciary and give it some more pedigree with the Nigerian public.
I think I would suggest that what we need to do now, particularly with court that sit in panel, like the Court of Appeal, the sitting panels are across the country, they just need to digitalize the system so that once a judgment is delivered in one branch or division, it is automated, and all other branches or divisions are aware of that judgment. So that will prevent or ameliorate the occasions of conflicting judgment coming from the Court of Appeal. And also, with respect to the Supreme Court, as the final court, we must have an integrated system that once a judgment is delivered by the Supreme Court, all other courts, down to the High Court, will be aware of that judgment without needing to go through the law reports. That will prevent or minimize the incidence of conflicting decisions. Two, our High Court, this thing is common among the High Court, especially cases involving political issues and politicians. The High Court judges need to sit up and try as much as possible to maintain their positions as habitat between or among human beings, among Nigeria, so that they do not allow politicians to influence their position on cases before them. Because the more we have conflicting decisions, the more embarrassment we suffer, and our judicial system suffers, and also lawyer suffers inconveniences arising from that.
Absolutely.
So I think we need a system that will guarantee that every judge will be aware of decisions delivered by the Supreme within a week. Within a week, within 2 days, decisions delivered by divisions of Court of Appeal should be before all other justices of the Court of Appeal, and then the High Court. So we need to be innovative, go technological about how we disseminate information related to decisions. Then the judges must be more disciplined, particularly at the High Court level. They need to be more disciplined. They should develop resistance to interference by politicians.
Indeed.
And influence by politicians. These are some of the ways I think we can come about. We can get a very certain position of the law on an issue or issues at every point in time.
It's interesting that we're still discussing the issue of automation in 2024, but it's a good place to leave it. Former Attorney General of Kwara State, a Senior Advocate of Nigeria, Salman Jawondo, thank you so much for talking to us.
Thank you for having me.
Let's turn now